Hi everyone, today I am sharing 10 mind-blowing gadgets that will make your life easier and more fun. These are gadgets you never knew you needed. But first, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on the closet gear. Let's check out gadget number 1, Paracord Bracelet. Level up your survival game with the Atomic Bear Paracord Bracelet. This compact gadget includes a fire starter, a loud emergency whistle, a compass for navigation, and over 10 feet of paracord for emergencies. It's adjustable, lightweight, and built for adventure. Perfect for hiking, camping, fishing, or even hunting. Be prepared for any situation with this must-have survival tool. Tipsy Bottle Opener. Meet the Amra Tipsy Bottle Opener, where style meets functionality. This luxury chrome bar accessory is shaped like a flying bird, making it a statement piece for your bar. Perfect for opening soda, cider, or wine. It's not just a tool, it's a conversation starter. Designed for durability and balance. It's easy to use and looks stunning on display, whether hosting, guest, or gifting. It's the ultimate blend of art and utility. Shooter toy. Light up your game nights with the Lasso Nano. This viral glow-in-the-dark string shooter toy comes with a built-in UV black light for endless fun. Safe and interactive. It's not just a toy, it's a STEM learning tool that enhances creativity and coordination. Perfect for holiday stocking stuffers. It's a hit for kids and adults alike. Bring excitement to family game nights with this one-of-a-kind gadget. Fidget toy. Say goodbye to stress with the 550 pieces ferret putty fidget toy. Perfect for adult. This versatile desk gadget combines magnetic fun with stress relief. Shape it, stretch it, or watch it interact with magnets. It's the ultimate way to stay focused and relaxed during work. Compact and stylish, it's an ideal gift for office workers or anyone needing a break from anxiety. Transform your desk into a stress-free zone. Survival kit. Be prepared for any adventure with this 19-in-1 survival kit. The ultimate gift for men who love the outdoors. Packed with essential tools for fishing, hunting, and camping. This kit includes a fire starter, tactical knife, compass, emergency blanket, and more. Durable and compact, it's perfect for outdoor trips or emergencies. Whether it's for dad, your husband, or a friend, it's a thoughtful, practical gift they will love. Adventure await. Stay ready with this cool gadget. Mini Bluetooth speaker. Take your music and selfies to the next level with this mini Bluetooth speaker. Compact yet powerful, it offers TWS pairing for immersive stereo sound and a built-in mic for hands-free calls. The remote shutter feature makes it perfect for capturing memories effortlessly. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for both outdoor adventures and indoor relaxation. Upgrade your gadget game with this multifunctional speaker. Otamatone electronic instrument. Unleash your inner musician with the quirky Otamatone, Japanese favorite electronic instrument. This portable synthesizer lets you create unique sounds with its fun, easy-to-play design. Slide, press, and experiment to produce anything from melodies to hilarious tunes. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for beginners, pros, or anyone looking for a unique gift. Get ready to turn heads with the most entertaining musical gadget out there. Belifo Dual Channel. Experience powerful pain relief therapy with the Belifo Dual Channel Tanzimia's unit with 24 modes of muscles stimulation. It targets more muscles, alleviates pain, and helps the relaxation. The unit includes 10 pads, a dust-proof storage bag, and convenient fasting cable ties for easy organization, whether at home or on the go. This electronic pulse massager provides professional-level relief whenever you need it. Say goodbye to muscle tension and hello to comfort. Remote control finder. Never lose your keys again with the remote control finder. This pack of 4 handy devices lets you track your car keys, phones, and more with these. With the 120 feet range and an 80 decibel beeper. Simply press the button to make the tag emit a loud noise, helping you find lost times in seconds. The stick-on design ensures it stays attached, and the tracker tags are perfect for busy lifestyle. Say goodbye to the frustration of misplaced items. Pen translator. Break language barriers with the reading pen translator. Your personal translator in the palm of your hand. With support for 134 languages, this pen instantly translates text as you scan it, making it perfect for students, travelers, and professionals. The 5.5-inch super screen display clear translations and its sleek portable design fits perfectly in your pocket. Whether for study, work, or travel, it's the ultimate tool for easy communication and learning. All done. If you want to buy any of these gadgets, the links are in the description box. See you next time.